welcome back. It's Forum Daily's cryptocurrency and digital asset update now with Bobby Del Rio.
Hey, it's Bobby Del Rio live from Beverly Hills, California. Um, Interesting. So I was just at GamesBeat 2023 in Marina Del Rey. Very, very cool. Like one of the biggest gaming conferences in the entire world. Possibly the biggest. I'm not really sure. Definitely one of them. I got a chance to meet Robert Kirkman, who is the creator of the Walking Dead comic, co-creator of the television series. Major executives from Polygon, Paramount, Facebook, Meta. Um, you know, it's pretty amazing to see how California is really still like the hub for tech. With that said, Web3 was a dominant conversation at the conference the entire time, with sort of like mixed results. So people still believe in blockchain technology, but the enthusiasm has dampened, um, sort of like the writer's strike in Hollywood has dampened enthusiasm for Hollywood specifically, partly because of AI, right? So on my show, The Daily Drop, talking about latest technology trends related to blockchain, but you really have to incorporate gaming and AI and Hollywood and all these things because you're starting to see this larger technology stack. AI is really interesting too from a financial perspective because you're starting to see a lot of AI meme coins really driving up their value very, very, very fast. And it's a little unclear how sustainable that is. Also, the writer's strike in Hollywood is really sort of obfuscating the media landscape, and especially being in Hollywood right now, to really see it boots on the ground. It's probably going to last for a while. Speaking of lasting for a while, Pepe is the latest meme coin that has sustained its momentum for a while. Although this month it's lost about 60%, but before that it had boomed out of nowhere over 6,000%. So look, Pepe is an interesting phenomenon right now, but you got to be careful with these meme coins because it's like literally somebody will invent, some sort of random coin based on some random animal, and then everybody speculates, and then the price can boom very, very quickly, just like the Bored Apes Yacht Club. But unfortunately, just like the Bored Apes Yacht Club that's lost 85-90% of their value in the last 12 months, the Pepe coin, it just crashed inexplicably. So just be very careful because you're going to see a lot of stories about meme coins, some related to AI, some not. But be careful, if you are in the investing space or you're a retail investor or you're even just a casual observer of crypto, meme coins are really a niche part of the larger ecosystem. And just like at GamesBeat 2023, people are all in on the technology, but the speculative part of the ecosystem, and blockchain technology, they're really not the same thing. So speaking of blockchain technology, the first bit of blockchain technology, Bitcoin, its price has been somewhat volatile over the last few weeks. In the last week or so, it's been somewhat level, but we're talking about Bitcoin boomed to 75% on the year from the beginning of the year, and then so it went from about 16 and a half all the way 27. It was approaching 30, and now we're like back to 26. So the volatility is still there for Bitcoin and obviously for the larger cryptocurrency space. And unsurprisingly, that's emblematic of the uncertainty in the economy. There's many questions about the US debt ceiling and how that affects all the different currencies in the world. And, you really have to start to see everything in the economy as starting from that. And the uncertainty in the US economy specifically, has sort of become this waterfall of doubt. And so I think until that clears up, the cryptocurrency space is going to follow suit. Bobby Del Rio, live from Beverly Hills. That's your crypto update.
An interesting conference. Thanks for that, Bobby. Again, that was Bobby Del Rio with Forum Daily's crypto and digital asset update.